All right, looking into the next few days, we are looking for a hot, humid kind of setup. No surprise, of course, it is Memorial Day weekend. And then as we get into the end of the upcoming week, we will have a higher chance for rain. We also have some isolated storms out there at the moment. In fact, a lot of you joining us from parts of Jefferson Parish and Orleans Parish are seeing some rain right now. Thankfully, though, as I was pointing out before, it does appear to be shrinking and diminishing in terms of intensity. So we are seeing this little storm really weakening at this point. Elsewhere you saw there is no rain really to speak of. So much lighter rain now around Metairie, New Orleans, and into Kenner and into New Orleans East and St. Bernard. So a little bit of a flare up for sure of the showers and storms. Some really heavy rain briefly at the Kenner airport kind of area and into parts of Metairie briefly. But now things are quieting down. So if you're joining us saying, when's the rain going to end? Pretty soon, maybe next, what, 15, 30 minutes, I think at the most for that last little downpour right over the New Orleans South Shore. 79 degrees right now, and we do have clouds, and that's helped a lot with the heat in spots, but it was certainly hot today. High temperatures around 90. We're still mostly in the 80s, unless you're getting that downpour at Kenner, then you're the one spot that we're seeing in the upper 70s. The rest of this evening will hover in the lower 80s and then drop into the 70s if you're not there already under that downpour that we have happening right now. And our rain chance goes down as well. Tonight, humid, mostly clear north of the lake. You can look for lows around 71 or so on the south shore of Lake Pontchartrain toward the bayou, toward the coast. We're looking for about 76, and our rain chance very slim overnight. In fact, we should have mostly clear skies after we wrap up with that final shower. Our rain chance tomorrow stays at 20%. It looks partly cloudy with a few storms, and our high around 90, and a peek ahead at Memorial Day as well. Highs around 90, 20% or so chance for a couple of showers and thunderstorms, and most of that in the afternoon. So looking at precision cast, this is tonight. One model does have a couple of showers, so that's why I had that low end chance for a little bit of rain. This is tomorrow though, 1 p.m. We're still all mostly quiet, but look at this, a flare up of a couple of those afternoon showers and storms, and then this is by 7 p.m. As we move into Memorial Day, if you have plans, we're looking fine all the way through the day. This model has a tiny bit of rain by 4 p.m., but you can see that it does look mostly clear or partly cloudy, and maybe a little hotter and maybe a little less rain potentially Monday, but I kept both days actually near about 20% rain chance. So don't be surprised by a pop-up shower or storm, but not everyone is going to get that. Tuesday, 40% rain chance. Wednesday and Thursday, 50% chances of rain. That's a higher rain chance because we have our moisture staying up. And then we also have a front that's moving toward us and then stalling. So you can see in the afternoons, this is Wednesday, 4 p.m. and then on into Thursday in the afternoon. This is 4 p.m. Some afternoon showers and storms flaring up. And then by Friday, we may get another front coming near us, and we do have a chance for more scattered rain there. So our rainfall forecast updated. We were looking for a higher chance for the showers and storms and rainfall totals near about 3 to 5 inches farther north, and now looking like a little bit less for our area, but I would say up to about maybe 1, 2 or 3 inches, depending on whether you're under one of those heavier downpours or not. So 7-day forecast. Temperatures go down a little bit. Our rain chance goes up a little bit. Not looking for severe storms per se, but there may be a couple of strong storms this time of year. We're getting to where any thunderstorm that develops can occasionally bring a high wind gust or two, some brief heavy rain, and some lightning. So almost there into that summery kind of setup, but at least we do have that higher chance for rain. So I know a lot of folks looking for rain, hoping for it for your yards, for your plants. We do have that higher chance, especially starting Tuesday into Wednesday and continuing through Friday of the upcoming week.